Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sliding video edits. First, understand that a slide edit allows you to move a clip along the timeline while keeping its original duration. Imagine you have a 10-second clip. A slide edit lets you shift its position without changing its length or the total length of your sequence. This is incredibly useful for adjusting the timing of a shot within a fixed segment, ensuring your pacing remains perfect. To begin, open your preferred video editing software, such as Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Locate the slide tool, often represented by a specific icon or found within an editing mode. Once activated, simply click and drag your chosen clip along the timeline. As you move it, the surrounding clips will automatically adjust their in and out points to accommodate your slide, maintaining the overall sequence length. For optimal results, consider using keyboard shortcuts to fine-tune your slide edits. Many programs allow you to nudge a clip one frame at a time, offering incredible precision. Pay close attention to both the audio and visual flow. A good slide edit should feel invisible to the viewer. Always preview your work after each significant adjustment to ensure the new timing enhances your narrative, rather than disrupting it. Once you've mastered the basics, try combining slide edits with other techniques, like ripple or roll edits, for more sophisticated sequences. Don't be afraid to experiment with clips of varying lengths. Sometimes a subtle shift can dramatically alter the emotional impact. Consistent practice is key to developing an intuitive understanding of timing and pacing. With dedication, you'll soon be executing flawless slide edits with confidence and creativity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.